What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. I am in Philadelphia right now on the Schuylkill River. Got my friend Jerry here, and we're going to be catching some catfish today. Weather is not really ideal, but you know, this can be an opportunity to let you know that you can still catch catfish during tough conditions like this. It's about 40 degrees outside, 15-mile-per-hour winds, and I'm going to show you the bait that we're using today. I just got off the fry here. We're using chicken nuggets, guys. You've seen my videos in the past that we've caught some pretty big channel catfish just on chicken nuggets. Kind of an underrated bait, I guess you could say. Anyways, guys, we're going to get these rigged up and stay tuned. This is your mono leader line here, and then you have your hook, and then I'll show you how I do what I do with the chicken nuggets. I just rip it in half. Just like that. And you're all set. See, guys, with the wind here, it is crazy windy today. Crazy windy. Do it just like that. Something on there? Yeah. Yep, Jerry has a fish. First catfish of the day. Yep, just bring it up. There you go. That's it.
Picture of this for the girls.
Yep. All right, Jerry with his first fish. I can take a picture for you if you want.
Yeah.
With you with the fish. All right. 1, 2, 3. Got it. All right, guys. So you can see that, you know, catfish are still in here. We're fishing in tough conditions here. I'd say 25. What would you say? 20, 25 mile per hour winds. But they're in here. They're still here. Let's see. Oh yeah, fish on. Alright, fish on, guys. Second channel of the day. It's a small one, but we'll take it. Nice little channel catfish here.
About a size?
Yeah. Oh, he came off. Oh man, he broke it.
Wow.
I think I was trying to manhandle him a little too much because I have like, this is like 5 pound. This is 5 pound test. So
he took the rig.
Took the rig straight. Yeah, this is really, feel how light this is. Yeah, this is actually my lightest rod I have. What was on there?
I had him here in the water though.
Yeah, because see, this line is, I need to replace this because
it's kinks and
it's frayed.
Yeah, it is frayed.
I knew I should have brought my other one, my other reel I had, better line, but that's all right. Yeah, I think this one's on. Yep.
You got some?
Yep, fish on. See, I could see the rod barely moving on this one, but
Oh, he's a nice size.
Yep. Man, he came off again. Well, he didn't break, but he came off.
He was a nice size.
Yep. Because I don't think we can get.
A couple pounds?
Yeah, he was probably a pound and a half.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So he came off again, but
I mean, they're there.
I don't think these. Yeah, I don't think they're not exactly hooked the best either. So I usually have no problem bringing them up. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Yeah. I could barely feel it. He must have been just like, I thought I felt something when I was reeling it in, and then like, oh, it's a decent one. I can tell.
Yes. This is a nice fish.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Shoot, man. Jerry, let's go to the other side.
Sure.
He's coming up.
Yes.
Got the net?
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Now we got him. It's like we ain't losing this one. Alright guys, this is our biggest channel so far, I believe. We're going to release them. We're going to put them just in here. Just like that. There he goes. Yep, swim away.
Well, he wasn't badly caught.
Huh?
He wasn't badly caught. He was caught on the outside.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's put some more out there. As you can see guys, you can still catch fish in tough conditions. Alright, 25 mile per hour winds here. We've had 4 fish. We've actually landed. The other 2 all buckled near the surface. So try to get Jerry on another one here. Dang man, this wind. It's crazy. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Jerry, what'd you think?
That was great.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun. It was tough with the wind and everything, but we actually managed 4 fish. 2 actually landed. 1 broke off on my light rod there with 5-pound test, and the other one just bucked at the very end. You know, so with this cold front and the winds being 25 miles per hour, definitely made it tough, but you know, you can still catch fish in tough conditions, guys. So me and Jerry are gonna have to do this again. We had a lot of fun. Anyways guys, I appreciate you watching the video, and we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing.